For BMW models with regular front seat headrests or equipped with the optional Travel and Comfort mount, the BMW Travel and Comfort System provides additional convenience facilities for the rear passengers. To install the Travel and Comfort System base carrier, slide the front seat headrest out of the backrest without removing it completely. Put the left groove of the base carrier around the left headrest foot. Push the unlock button to push the base carrier together and let the right groove of the carrier spring around the right headrest foot. Adjust the base carrier level on the headrest feet and push the clips around the headrest feet into the grooves of the carrier until they audibly engage. To the Travel and Comfort System base carrier, you can attach different convenience features. The BMW Universal Hook is just latched into the socket of the base carrier. All attachments can be released from the socket by pushing the two release buttons. Having attached the BMW clothes hanger to the Travel and Comfort System base, you can remove the top section to take your clothes on the hanger with you. To do so, push the unlock button on the bottom section and pull the top section off. Depending on model, with the optional Travel and Comfort mount with electrical connection in the front seat backrest, you can install the Travel and Comfort System attachments without the base carrier. The BMW folding table is attached in the same way. By pressing the lock at the back, you can adjust the height of the folding table. The tray table and the cup holder have an overload guard, allowing you to fold the hinges back into place without damage if they have been overstretched. With the BMW Universal Holder for tablets with safety case, you can attach your own mobile device to the back seat. Insert the tablet into the safety case, pull open the bracket on the tablet holder, place the tablet in the safety case in the holder and close the bracket. By pushing the button in the hinge, you can turn the tablet holder, twist it sideways and tilt it back and forth. You can use the electrical connection in the front seat to charge your device. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.